This is Dineshwaran. I am from Dharmapuri district, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my BE Computer Science Engineering at Ariyalur Anna University. I scored 80%. I have joined Marathahalli Jspider at 2025 March 12, and teaching was very good. And I built my fundamentals by using teaching by the Ramana sir. He guided me a lot and giving a lot of real world experience. And I have practiced mock interview very well. I keep on giving the mock interview like if you got low rating also, even it's not a problem. We have to keep on giving the mock interview. It will help you to crack the real interview. It gives a lot of experience. And Ravi sir thought much to like real world examples, giving a lot of lessons and what the outside is happening. And Giri sir taught me that a spring boot and all advanced concept. It's helped me a lot very well.